What if I told you that there are hidden secrets that make a specific person go crazy? What if you apply them and they instantly start chasing you? It feels good, right? I know it does. Well, manifesting a specific person is not a hard thing. It is very easy, and making them attracted towards you is easier. But it requires some qualities that the majority of the people do not possess, and those qualities consist of persistence and patience. Yes, many people lack these qualities, and it makes it harder for them to have their specific person. Have you ever caught yourself thinking in a manner that is unfavorable to you? Have you ever found yourself thinking against your desire, even after knowing that you have to think from the end state of having your desire? Have you ever found yourself thinking in terms of wanting your desire? Do you wish or hope that one day your desire will turn into reality? If that is the case with you, then you are on the wrong path. It is because it is not about wanting your desire, it is about having it. Recently, I was reading something, and it gave me a fresh set of eyes in regard to manifesting a specific person. The writer shared some very interesting information that would highly benefit you. So, the writer talked about the subconscious mind and how desiring something or hoping for something in the future stops it from happening. As you all know, you have a mind, and the mind is often bifurcated into conscious and subconscious. It is not like there is some physical line that divides the mind. It is just a concept that says the mind is divided into two parts. The first part is the conscious part. Right now, you are watching this video on your smartphone. You are holding your phone, your ears are listening to this voice, your eyes are reading the text, you are understanding what I am saying, and you are thinking about it. At this particular moment, you are using the conscious part of your mind. Whenever you are doing something, focusing on something, or thinking about something, then you are using the conscious part of your mind. But the cool part is that even in this particular moment, your subconscious mind is active as well. It is performing certain functions in your body, such as beating your heart, breathing, digesting the food, maintaining the temperature of your body, and many more things. But you are not consciously aware of it because you think it happens on its own. Well, why am I telling you all of this? It might not sound that interesting to you right now, but trust me, in a few minutes you will understand the reason behind telling you all of this. After understanding this reason, you will stop thinking that your desire will manifest in the future. You would start thinking from the end almost immediately, and that will turn your desire into reality. So, now coming back to our discussion of conscious and subconscious mind. It is said that our subconscious mind manifests our desires. The subconscious mind holds many beliefs and manifests according to these beliefs. Whatever you plant in your subconscious mind and nourish it with repetition becomes your reality. It is like once the subconscious mind accepts an idea, it starts manifesting it. Your subconscious mind provides whatever you ask for. Like when a parent and a child walk on a street and see a balloon. The child asks the parent for it, but the parent rejects the child's desire. But, on the persistent efforts of the child, the parent agrees to the child and buys that balloon for that child. Now, this example is not exact, but is very similar to the idea of the subconscious mind manifesting our desires. To elaborate it further, let me tell you something more about the conscious and subconscious. Only when you truly understand this would manifesting your specific person, making them wildly attracted towards you, and making them chase you will be an effortless task. So, the conscious is personal and selective. The subconscious is impersonal and non-selective. The conscious is the realm of effect. The subconscious is the realm of cause. The conscious generates ideas and impresses these ideas on the subconscious. The subconscious receives ideas and gives form and expression to them. The subconscious does not originate ideas, but accepts as true those which the conscious mind feels to be true in a way known only to itself, objectifies the accepted ideas. So, in every moment, you are impressing your subconscious mind with various ideas. You are selecting some ideas out of infinite ideas. You are generating those ideas, and those ideas are accepted by your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind gives that idea a form and expresses them. In short, your subconscious mind manifests the ideas that are presented to it. Impressing your subconscious ideas is one of the most important things to manifest your desire. But how do you impress your subconscious mind with these ideas? Well, you have to become persistent with the idea in order to impress it on your subconscious mind. Now some of you will say that you think about your desire all day, but still it is not here. Well, I am not denying that you think about it all day. But are you persisting in the idea of having it? Or are you persisting in the idea of wanting it? Observe your thoughts, observe the route that your inner conversations are taking, and you will get clear where you are persisting. The majority of you are persisting in the idea of wanting your desire. You are persisting in the idea of having it in the future. You are hoping for it to happen. That is why you are not getting it. It is because you are constantly impressing your subconscious mind with the idea that you don't want it right now, you want it in the future, you want it one day. Your subconscious mind is impersonal. and non-selective. It receives your idea of not having your desire and accepts that you want it in the future. And that is why it manifests conditions in your reality where you are stuck in the loop of wanting your desire. You are stuck in situations where you don't get your desire, but you believe that one day you will have it. You believe that you are going to get it in the future. You hope that it will come in the future, and you are persisting in these ideas. Therefore, you are again impressing them and causing your subconscious mind to form certain beliefs where you will get your desire in the future. Now, if you are still here and you understood it, then congratulations. You are understanding what it takes to manifest your desire. But if you didn't understand it, then I advise you to replay this previous part again and again till you understand it properly. Now, I am sure that you have understood that impressing your subconscious mind manifests your desire into reality. Your subconscious mind does not originate ideas, but accepts as true those which the conscious mind feels to be true. It only accepts the ideas that you feel to be true. Just keep your hand on your heart and answer me. Do you really feel that you are having your specific person? Do you feel this idea to be true? You don't feel it, right? When you don't feel that your specific person is going crazy for you, when you don't feel that you are someone who is highly attractive and that your specific person chases you, then you are not feeling it to be true. Since you don't feel it to be true, your subconscious mind rejects this idea and does not manifest it. So, hear me out clearly. Your subconscious mind is not concerned with your desires. It rejects your desires. It rejects the ideas that you think will happen in the future. It rejects the things that you hope will happen one day. It only accepts the idea that your conscious mind feels to be true. I am sure you are getting it now. The next question that comes to your mind: how will you feel these ideas to be true? Well, there are techniques that help you connect to your subconscious mind. Writing something down on a piece of paper is one such technique that is commonly known as scripting. It initiates your subconscious mind to accept the idea as true. It is because you get thousands of thoughts every day, but when you write them down, they become a tangible thing. You are turning your invisible thoughts into a physical thing. You can now visually experience them. But you have to keep in mind that you have to write these ideas from the place of having them. Like you have to write that: I know that Megan likes me a lot. Her actions show that she is madly in love with me. She cannot hide it from me. It is evident from her smile that she is highly attracted to me. Can you see what I did here? In each and every sentence of mine, I wrote it in present tense. It was not like, Megan will like me one day. She will become highly attracted to me. I hope she loves me one day. Well, all of this is trash, and it will keep you stuck in a loop. Boldly accept this idea of Megan being with you right now as true. Write it down on a piece of paper. Imagine that you are holding her hands. Imagine that she is leaning forward to kiss you. Hear her voice internally telling you that you are the man of her dreams. Touch her, kiss her, and accept her with open arms. When you enter these visual scenes and become bold and accept them, it would almost feel like you are sitting with Megan in your desired reality, having those lovely experiences. It would feel like you are not here anymore. You are there with Megan, and when you come out of this scene, you will start feeling differently. All your desperation will be gone, and you have accepted the idea of being with Megan as true. When this happens, your subconscious mind, being impersonal and non-selective, will accept this idea as true and manifest it in your external reality. Many people don't sit with themselves. They don't imagine at all. After watching my videos, they get motivated and do these imaginary scenes for a few minutes, but then they return to their regular habits. They return to their habitual thinking of not having and wanting it in the future. Therefore, they are stuck in the loop. It is like they want to travel, but they are too scared of leaving the shore and getting to the ship. It would be an adventure for you, but for that, you have to break the pattern of your habitual thinking. You have to get out of your comfort zone, leave the shore, and hop on the ship. Just promise me in the comments that you are going to imagine it boldly and claim it as yours. Just get lost in your imaginary scene. Get lost in the imaginary scene of having them. Get lost in the idea of being with them. Also, there is one more technique that I think works beautifully, and it is specifically designed to make your specific person highly attracted towards you. In this technique, you seduce your specific person from a distance by using your mind power. Yes, you seduce them not physically but mentally. The idea reaches them. They feel attracted towards you. You can do it anywhere. It will help you tremendously if you are manifesting a specific person. And I have shared everything that you have to know about this technique in this another video. Just click on the first video that now appears on the top right corner of the screen.